Hi, I'm filming this video to show the unboxing of my Flashpoint fire rescue first responder kit. Been waiting for a long time to get it. Saving it up took a long time. And then actually going through the mail took a long time. So this is the one that is a first responders kit. So I'm opening it up. I was stuck in customs in Montreal for a while. So see how that they put something else in it. Okay, they have it really packed well. Slicing the paper. So, this is my first responders kit. Wow. 65 of it out of 100. I was worried because it took such a long time. Okay, that. Very impressed with this. And now I'm going to put it into the box, fit them in, and then I will post both these onto YouTube.